For this project, we're going to be using 3mm cotton cord, which is available for purchase on my social media accounts. So I'm going to be using this 3mm pastel pitch bundle. This is 27 yards where you could already create 3 macrame coasters. First, cut 7 cords with 3 feet length each. Attach it to your clothing rack by making a lark's head knot. Next, get an extra cord. 1 foot is enough. We're gonna use this as our lead cord as we make a horizontal double half hitch. Then I'm just gonna simply tie it on my clothing rack because it's easier for me to use this as my lead cord when it's already attached to the clothing rack. Then I'm gonna allot 1.5 inches distance from the lark's head knot that we created. And I'm just gonna start making this horizontal double half hitch. As we go along and make double half hitch, you could adjust these cords accordingly. Now for this process, we're just gonna do a half hitch. And to do this, we're just gonna do this number 4. We're gonna repeat this process all throughout this project. And then we will proceed to the second row. We're gonna skip this cord and proceed in between. Again, I'm gonna make a half hitch by making this number 4. And then I'll proceed with the next one. And then we will repeat the process just like the first row. So we're gonna start on this one and proceed all the way to the end. So the goal is to make 13 rows of this half hitch knot. And then same thing again, skip this one and start in between. So we were able to create 13 rows of half hitch. So this is how it should look like. So let's just fix this. And then what we're gonna do is to repeat the same horizontal double half hitch on top. So I'm gonna get another cord. This is another 1 foot cord. Then I'm gonna start making another horizontal double half hitch. And then we're gonna cut this and work on the fringes. And then before we proceed with the brushing, I just want to secure these ends by just simply making a tie on the ends of our lead cords. Before I proceed with the actual brushing, I'd like to untangle it first because for me it's easier to brush it this way. I'd like to use hair brush first and then dog's brush. And then length of the fringe is actually up to you, but for me, I'd like to use this ruler and then mark it this way. And then this will be my mark and I'm just gonna start cutting this. So this is the same technique that I'll also do on the other side. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and tag us on your social media accounts with the hashtag HabitMade. See you on my next video.